Good morning, students. Yesterday we have completed the types of matrices and equality of matrices and examples on that. And also I given some of the assignment work. I think you have completed your work. Now today we go for the operation on matrices. In this session, we will discuss addition of matrices and multiplication of a matrix by a scalar and negative of a matrix and difference of a matrix and also multiplication of the matrices. Now we discuss one by one. First we go for addition of matrices. Now we consider two matrices A equal to Aij and B equal to Bij. These are two matrices of the same order. If it is of order m by n, it is also of order m by n. Then the sum of these two matrices is nothing but another matrix A plus B equal to considered as another matrix C, which is considered as Cij, and here Cij can be defined as Cij equal to Aij plus Bij. So this is the rule of addition of two matrices. Meaning of this is addition of corresponding elements of matrix A with corresponding element of matrix B. That is called Cij equal to Aij plus Bij. For example, if you consider A equal to 2, 3, 1, 6, B equal to 8, 1, 9, 5. These are two matrices. First we observe that orders. This is of order 2, it is also of order 2. Then addition is possible for these two matrices. Then we start addition of these two. A plus B equal to, it is written like this, first matrix plus second matrix. First matrix is 2, 3, 1, 6 and second matrix is 8, 1, 9, 5. 8, 1, 9, 5. Now in this addition we can take the corresponding elements. First we take 2 with element 8 because it is A11, it is also A11. That is 2 plus 8. Similarly, second A12 with A12, that is 3 plus 1. Similarly, 1 with 9, 1 plus 9. Next, A22 element is 6 plus 5. This is called addition of corresponding elements of two matrices. Now, it is equal to 10, it is 4, it is 10. 6 plus 5 is 11. So this is called sum of two matrices A and B. Here we are adding the corresponding elements of the two matrices and it is required matrix, that is A plus B. So 2 plus 8, 3 plus 1, 1 plus 9, 6 plus 5 is nothing but this form Aij plus Bij form, that is equal to Cij. Next we go for next example. It is A equal to 316 minus 184, B equal to 932 minus 189. These are two matrices. Now we first check the order. Order of these two matrices are equal because it is 2 rows and 3 columns. The order of this is 2 by 3. Similarly, in the case of matrix B, it is also having 2 rows and 3 columns. Its order is also 2 by 3. Then we can add these two. A plus B equal to, now we take the again corresponding elements, 3 with 9, that is 3 plus 9, and 1 with 3, that is 1 plus 3, 6 with 2, 6 plus 2. Next, minus 1 adding with minus 1, minus 1 plus minus 1, 8 with 8, 8 plus 8, and 4 with 9. that is 4 plus 9. Now we get the sum as 3 plus 9 is 12, 1 plus 3 is 4, 6 plus 2 is 8, minus 1 plus of minus 1 is minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2, 8 plus 8 is 16, 4 plus 9 is 13. Now it is also of order 2 by 3. If A is a matrix of order 2 by 3, B is a matrix of order 2 by 3, then A plus B is also new matrix which is in the same order as A and B. Now we discuss multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. It is second operation of the matrix. Here we observe one is a matrix and one is a scalar. Now we consider one matrix A equal to Aij of any order and K is any scalar. K is a scalar. Now if you multiply these two, then we get K into A. K into A is another matrix which is obtained by multiplying every element of A by K. That is called as multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Now K is nothing but K into it is Aij and it is given by it is K times of Aij. So it is multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. For example, if you consider A equal to 3, 2, minus 1, 9. It is a matrix of order 2. Now we consider a scalar. Scalar I will take K equal to 3. Then K is defined as K into A equal to 3 into A. That is nothing but 3 into matrix 3, 2, minus 1, 9. Now according to definition, 3 into matrix A is nothing but multiplying every element of A by scalar. Means we multiply all the elements by 3. Then we get it is 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 3 into 9, 27. It is called scalar multiplication. Now here it is multiplied the whole matrix by 3. That means every element of matrix is multiplied with 3. That is called as scalar multiplication or multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Now I go for another example. If A equal to minus 2, 1, 8, 3, 1, 9. It is a matrix which is of order 2 by 3 because here 2 rows and 3 columns. Now if we consider K as minus 8, that is a scalar. It is a scalar. Now the scalar multiplication is given by K into A is nothing but minus 8 into A. So meaning of this is minus 8 is multiplied with matrix A, that is minus 2, 1, 8, 3, 1, 9. Now meaning of this is you multiply every element by this scalar minus 8. Minus 8 into minus 2, 16. Minus 8 into 1 is minus 8. Minus 8 into minus 8, minus 64. Minus 8 into 3, minus 21. Minus 8 into 1 is minus 8. Minus 8 into 9 is minus 72. It is called the matrix minus 8A. It is minus 8 is multiplied with all the elements of the given matrix A. Similarly, go for another example. If you take B equal to 1, 9, minus 8, 1, minus 3, 4, and k you take any scalar, it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a scalar, then k is nothing but 1 by 2 into b, that is k into b is nothing but 1 by 2 into b. 1 by 2 is multiplied with whole matrix, that is 1 9 minus 8 1 minus 3 4. Now you multiply every element of this matrix by this scalar 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 9, 9 by 2, and 1 by 2 into minus 8, minus 8 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1, it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into minus 3, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2 into 4, 4 by 2, it is also written as minus 1 by 2, it is 9 by 2, it is minus 4, minus 8 by 2 is minus 4, it is 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and 4 by 2 is 2. So this is called the multiplication of matrix B with a scalar 1 by 2. Now it is scalar multiplication. Here you observe 8 3s are, it is minus 24. So here minus 8 value is 16 minus 8 minus 64 minus 24 minus 8 minus 72. So for one example, if a equal to 318 minus 165 and b equal to 712 minus 13 minus 2, then find the value of 2a plus 3b. Now here we observe that matrix A is multiplied with a scalar 2 and matrix B is multiplied with a scalar 3 and both are added. This can be done like this. Solution, it is 2a plus 3b written as 2 into matrix A. Matrix A is 318 minus 165 plus 3 as it is scalar. B value is 712 minus 13 minus 2. Now you make scalar multiplication. It is 2 into 3 6, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 8 16, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into 6 12, 2 into 5 10. Similarly here scalar multiplication, 3 with 7, that is 21, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6, 3 with minus 1 minus 3, 3 with 3 9, 3 with minus 2 minus 6. Now we can add these two matrices. It is 2a is one matrix and 3 is also one matrix and both are having same order. Now we can add these two by addition law of two matrices. Now it is given like this. It is 6 adding with 21, 6 plus 21 because they are corresponding elements. 2 with 3, that is 2 plus 3, 16 with 6, 16 plus 6, minus 2 with minus 3, that is minus 2 minus 3 because plus into minus 3 is minus 3, 12 with 9, that is 12 plus 9, 10 with minus 6, that is 10 minus 6 because 10 plus into minus 6 is minus 6, that is 10 minus 6. Now this is equal to 6 plus 21 is 27, 2 plus 3 is 5, 16 plus 6 is 22, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 12 plus 9 is 21, 10 minus 6 is 4. Now it is the value of the matrix 2a plus 3b. For doing this one, what we did here, we multiplied A matrix with 2 and B matrix with 3. Then we get 2 new matrices by scalar multiplication. After that, we can add the 2 matrices, that is 2A with 3B. Then we get the required matrix. That is the answer for this one. Similarly, we go for another example. If A equal to minus 3, 1, 2, 8, B equal to 6, 5, minus 1, 9, then find 8A plus 2B. 8A plus 2B. Now it is given that matrix A is multiplied with scalar 8 and matrix B is multiplied with scalar 2. Then we can calculate 8A plus 2B like this. 8A plus 2B written as 8 into matrix A, that is minus 3, 1, 2, 8, plus 2 into matrix B is 6, 5, minus 1, 9. Like this we write. Then you make again scalar multiplication. 8 3 is minus 24, 8 1 is 8, 8 3 2 is 16, 8 8 is 64, plus this 2 is multiplied with all the elements of matrix B, that is 2 into 6, 12, 2 into 5, 10, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 2 9 is 18. Now again it is addition of these two matrices. It is minus 24 plus 12. It is 8 plus 10. It is 16 minus 2. 64 plus 18. Now we get minus 24 plus 12 is minus 12. 8 plus 10 is 18. 16 minus 2 is 14. 64 plus 18, 72 plus 10 is 82. So this is the matrix 8A plus 2B. If you given addition and scalar multiplication of any two matrices, we can do like this. First we complete scalar multiplication, after that we can add the two matrices, then we get the required answer for given condition. Third one, negative of a matrix. Negative of a matrix. Negative, if A is any given matrix, A equal to Aij is any given matrix of order m by n, then negative of a matrix can be defined as minus A. Minus A is called as negative of a matrix and it is defined as minus 1 into A. That means the given matrix is multiplied with a scalar minus 1, then it converted into negative of a matrix. For example, if A equal to 7 to 1 minus 3, if it is a given matrix, then negative of a matrix is defined as minus A equal to minus 1 into A equal to minus 1 into, you substitute the value 7 to 1 minus 3, then you get minus into 7 minus 7, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, minus into minus is plus 3. Now it is called negative of the given matrix A, and it is defined by minus A equal to minus 1 into A. Just to multiply minus 1 with the given matrix, you get negative of the given matrix. Next we go for fourth one, difference of two matrices. Difference of two matrices. The difference of two matrices is nothing but A minus B. A minus B, where A and B are the matrices of the same order. A is given by Aij and B is given by Bij. It is order m by n, then automatically its order is also m by n. Means they are having the same order. Then the difference of these two is nothing but A minus B, that is given by A minus B is another matrix, that is you call it as Dij, that is Dij matrix. That Dij is given by Aij minus Bij. So it is the definition for difference of the two matrices. For example, if A equal to, it is 3 1 9 2 8 3, B equal to 6 minus 1 3 1 8 minus 2. If they are given two matrices, then if you want to find A minus B, that is given by difference of these two, A and B is given as A minus B as A as it is 3 1 9 2 8 3 minus times this matrix 6 minus 1 3 1 8 minus 2. Now we simplify like this by using this one. First you subtract 3 with 3 and 6. 6 is subtracted from the first element 3. Next minus 1 is subtracted from 1. 3 is subtracted from 9. 1 from 2. 8 from 8 and minus 2 from 3. This will be simplified like this. It is 3 as it is minus of 6. 3 minus 6. Next 1 minus of minus 1. 1 minus of minus 1. Next 9 minus of 3. 9 minus of 3. Similarly 2 minus of 1. 2 minus 1. 8 minus of 8. 8 minus of 8. 3 minus of minus 2. 3 minus of minus 2. It is the difference. Now we simplify. 3 minus 6 is minus 3. It is 1 plus 1. 9 minus 3 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 8 0. It is 3 minus of minus 2 is 3 plus 2. So simplification is minus 3 2 6 1 0 5. 1 0 5. This is called the difference of the two matrices. In other words, A minus B can be also written as A plus minus 1 into B. That is addition of matrices A and negative of the matrix B. Both are having same meaning. The difference of matrix A and B is also equal to the sum of the matrices A and negative of the matrix B. Both are having the same meaning. It is another way of writing the difference of the two matrices. Difference of the two matrices. Now we discuss the properties of addition of matrices. Addition of matrices. Discuss the properties of addition of matrices. Now we know that how to add the two matrices of different matrices of the same order, and how to add the two matrices we completed. Now we discuss some of the important properties of addition of matrices. The first one is commutative property. Commutative property. So commutative property means if you consider two matrices A and B of the same order, then according to commutative property we say that matrix A plus B is always equal to B plus A. Means addition of matrices is always commutative. If you add matrix A with B or B with A, you get the same answer. It is called as the commutative property of addition of two matrices. If you consider A equal to 2 1 3 5 and B equal to minus 1 6 2 3, these are two matrices. If you consider A plus B, it is 2 1 3 5 plus minus 1 6 2 3. Then you get the answer 2 plus minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1 plus 6, 3 plus 2 and 5 plus 3. We are adding corresponding elements. Here you get the answer. It is 1 7 5 8. It is the matrix A plus B. Similarly, if you consider B plus A matrix, B plus A equal to, call this as 1. B is adding with A. It is minus 1 6 2 3 plus matrix B is 2 1 3 5. Now if you add these two according to addition of two matrices, now you get minus 1 plus 6, 6 plus 1, 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 5. 1 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 5. Now you get 1 7 5 8. Now call this as 2. Now what you are observing from equation number 1 and 2, 1 is nothing but A plus B, its elements are 1 7 5 8, and B plus A is another matrix, its elements are 1 7 5 8. Now we observe that the elements of A plus B and B plus A are equal. Therefore we conclude that by 1 and 2, A plus B is equal to B plus A. This is nothing but the commutative property of addition of two matrices. Next we go for second one, associative property. Associative property. Here we consider the three matrices of the same order A, B and C. At that time, the associative property of the three matrices states that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. This property is called as associative property of addition of three matrices. If you add B plus C with A or A plus B with C, you are getting the same result. That is called as associative property of the three matrices. For example, if you consider A equal to 1 3 2 5, B equal to 1 6 1 8, C equal to 2 3 1 9. Now we check the associative property for these three matrices. First we consider A plus B plus C, left hand side. For that, first we calculate B plus C. B plus C is given by, it is 1 6 1 8 plus 2 3 1 9. So our answer is 1 plus 2, it is 3, 6 plus 3 9, 1 plus 1 2, 8 plus 9 17. Now we calculate A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C value. A is already given 1 3 2 5 plus B plus C you got 3 9 2 17. Now add these two. 1 plus 3 equal to 4, 3 plus 9 12, 2 plus 2 4, 5 plus 17 22. Now you call this as equation number 1. Now you go for right hand side. Right hand side, first you want A plus B. Calculate the value of A plus B. A plus B is given by, it is A is 1 3 2 5, B is 1 6 1 8. Add these two. 1 plus 1 2, 3 plus 6 9, 2 plus 1 3, 5 plus 8 13. Now we calculate a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. A plus b there already 2 9 3 13 plus c value is it is 2 3 1 9. Add these two again. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 9 plus 3 is 12. 3 plus 1 is 4. 13 plus 9 is 22. Call this as 2. Now what you observe from equation number 1 and 2? Here equation number 1 is a plus b plus c value. Equation number 2 is a plus b plus c. And from these two equations we conclude that the right hand sides are equal, that is 4 12 4 22. Here also 4 12 4 22. Therefore the left hand should be equal. Therefore from 1 and 2 we conclude that a plus b plus c must be equal to a plus b plus c. It is nothing but associative property of the addition of three matrices. Property additive identity. Additive identity. If we consider a given matrix A equal to Aij, then there exists a zero or null matrix such that A plus O equal to O plus A equal to A. Here O is nothing but zero or null matrix. Zero matrix. If we add null matrix with given matrix or given matrix with null matrix, you get the matrix A. Then this O itself is called as the additive identity of the given matrix. This O is called as additive identity. Additive identity of the given matrix A. And here we observe that the order of this zero matrix O is same as that of given matrix A. For example, if you take A equal to 3 8 1 7 3 9 and O equal to, now it is order 3 by 2. Similarly here I observe that it is also 0 0 0 0 0 0. It is the null matrix. By using this we can add A plus O or O plus A. What you get? A plus O equal to, it is 3 8 1 7 3 9 plus 0 0 0 0 0 0.